Hello everyone. I've had so many people ask me how I create my jewelry and decided that YouTube might be the best format to introduce it. My name is Terrence and this is Singularities Collection. I work with Fusion 360, which is a CAMCAD software program with so many abilities, but the learning curve is pretty steep. Seriously, take a class because my modeling skills mimic that of what a chimpanzee could do. I'm just moving my mouse around here to make it look like I'm doing something, but it's actually a replay function. Next up is saving as an STL and moving it into a program called SRP Player. It came with the CNC I purchased, which I'll go over in a different video. Here I create what are called toolpaths. I'm telling it which bit to use to properly cut out the shape that I've designed. Depending on the wood species, I will also take the time to stabilize my blanks. I use cactus juice with a vacuum chamber to remove all the air from the wood. Then it's into an oven at 200 degrees for a couple of hours to cure the wood. This is some old growth redwood sent to me by a customer, and as you can see, it is fully stabilized. The machine will have to be cleaned out after every cut to make sure it's ready for the next one. Then we load the wood into the CNC machine and I'm cinching it down with what's called a fourth axis. It allows me to flip all of my projects and also run as a lathe. The initial pass will take 6/1000 of an inch off of the blank, and then it will begin doing roughing passes to get rid of the bulk of the material. This can be both fun and mesmerizing to watch. The CNC has an automatic tool changer, also saves a ton of time, and with a quick change, we are ready to get down to the detail pass. This usually takes the longest amount of time. Pendants and earring sets usually take 1 to 4 hours. I usually leave a couple thousandths of an inch, but this time it actually ejected, which is not ideal. After it gets cut, then it's off to the workbench. Then I'll use a flex shaft to do cleanup, sanding, polishing. Every piece then takes a couple of days of finishing. Here's some of my latest work. If you guys want to follow along, you know what to do.